In my previous video, I shared with you how to make the body of this beautiful beaded side bag. Just in case you missed the tutorial, kindly watch my previous video. I don't want it too long so as not to confuse you. This is the easiest way you can make your beaded side bag, all right? So keep watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. And let's continue. Okay, so now I'm going to start the flap. This is the side, okay? This is the 3 bead for the side, and this one also. This is the 3 bead. So I'm going to start matting my flap. I will skip this one and this one, and I'm going to start from this bead right here. So like I said, I'm going to skip this one bead, okay? This part is the side, so this is the first bead. I'll skip the first one and I'll start matting from the second bead. So now I'll pass my line through where I want to start my matting from, like so, and hold both ends. Make sure I have equal length, all right? Please, when you are working, always make sure you work with a line you can comfortably work with, okay? So now I pick up 3 bead and I will insert it into my left hand line. And in this 3rd bead, I'm going to cross my right hand line in it, and I will pull it down just the way we have been doing, okay? So this is it. So now I'm going to work my left hand line into the next bead, all right? So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads, okay? I pick 2 beads into my right hand line, and in this 2nd bead, I'll cross my left hand line in it and pull it down. So after pulling it down, you can see that this is what we have. I repeat the same process in my left hand line into the next bead. And in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads. 2 beads in my right hand line. And in the 2nd line, in the 2nd bead, I'll cross my left hand line in it and pull it down. So this is it. I'm going to repeat the same process until I get to the bead right here. Remember, I skip this bead here and I'll walk up to this point, okay? So guys, I've matched to this point. This is the last bead. Like I said, I'm going to skip this one. This is the 3 bead for the side, okay? So this one, I'm skipping it. I'm working to this point just like this one here. So now I'm going to turn, okay? Now to turn, in my left hand line right here, I'm going to insert 2 beads, okay? And in this 2nd bead, I'll cross my right hand line in it and pull it down. So now I'm going to turn to start the 2nd row, okay? Now in my left hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads, okay? Just the way we have been turning. So to start the 2nd row, in my left hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads. So I pick up 3 beads and insert it into my left hand line. And in this 3rd bead, I'll cross my right hand line in it and pull it down. So I flip it to my side. I prefer it this way. So next one, my right hand line is going into the next bead. So I'll pass my right hand line into the next bead. And in my left hand line, I will insert 2 beads, okay? And I'll cross my right hand line in the 2nd bead and pull it down. So I'm going to continue this process until I get to the last bead here. So now I've gotten to this bead, the last bead. I'll pass my right hand line into the last bead. And in this same right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads because we are going to turn now, okay? And in this second bead, I'll cross my left hand line in it and pull it down. So now, as you can see, we are done with the second row. So I've matted to this point. I mat to 8 rows, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I mat to 8 rows, okay? So what I'm going to do now is to pass my line through some beads like so, just like I've been explaining from the beginning, okay? Walk my line through some beads. And after knotting, I'm going to walk my line through some beads to secure the extra line, okay? Because after knotting, you have to pass your fire line, okay, through some beads. You don't cut it at the point where you knot it, okay? So you have to secure it. So now after passing it through some beads, I'll just cut it out. I'll cut the excess line. So this is it. See how beautiful it is. I'm going to just fix the handle, the long one, okay? The long handle. That is what we are using for this, okay? So to do that, I cut a new fire line. As you can see, we have 3 counts for our side. So I'm going to walk through the middle bead, the second one, okay? The middle one, I pass my line through it. So make sure you have the same length. So now I pick 3 beads. I insert 1 here, 1 here, and I will cross both in this 3rd bead, and I will pull it down. So now that I have done this, I don't want it to be just one. To secure it properly, I'm going to pass my fire line through the beads again until it come out. This line, I'm going to go through this 4 bead until it come out here again. So I'm going to have double line in it. This is the handle, okay? So we have to secure it properly. So I'll pass my fire line through these 4 beads again until it come back to its position. So as you can see, it is back right here. So now I can continue to bead. So I pick both ends of the fire line and then pick 3 beads, insert 1 here, 1 here, and I'll cross both line in the 3rd bead like so and pull it down. Again, I pick both ends of the line. I pick 3 beads, insert 1 here, 1 here, and I'll cross both line in this 3rd bead and pull it down. This is it. So I'm going to repeat the same process until I get the length that I want, okay? So guys, I've matted to the length that I want, as you can see, okay? So now I'm going to fix this part, this to the other side of the bag, all right? Just keep watching. So when you are doing that, make sure you have a straight line so it won't be this bend. All right. So due to the background noise around me, I had to mute some parts in this video. Okay, so just look at what I'm doing. Make sure you have a straight line. Fix it like so. Okay, so it won't bend. All right, so now I'm going to pass the lines. I picked 2 beads. Insert one in the right hand line and one in the left hand line. All right, and at this point what I'm going to do now is to cross both lines in the middle bead. All right, you know we have 3 counts for this side, so the lines I'm going to pass it in the middle bead. So now I'm going to cross both lines in this middle bead. This is our side, which is 3, so I'll cross both in this bead. So once that is done, I'm going to pass the line through the 4 beads, okay, just like I did when I wanted to start the other part. Okay, so as you can see, I passed the lines through the 4 beads like I said, okay, so as to have double line. You know, this is the handle, we have to secure it properly. So after that is done, I had to work my line through some beads. At this point we are going to knot. Like I said earlier, when you are knotting, pass your line through some beads, make sure the lines are meeting in a point, and you knot. Okay, you knot, and after knotting I'm going to pass my lines through some beads as well so as to secure. Please don't cut your lines immediately you knot. Make sure you secure it by passing it through some beads, as you can see me do. So if you are still watching my video up to this moment, thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. My returning subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. This channel has to do with varieties, okay? That is why we have Yemzi's varieties. The varieties there has to do with us uploading different things that can be helpful, okay? Craft, cooking, and many more. All right, so turn on the post notification bell of this channel. Okay, and if you want to see how I fix the magnetic lock on this bag, please kindly watch my next video. I don't want it too long, all right, so as not to confuse you. Okay, so thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please support this channel. Continue to support. Give me your thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. See how beautiful it is. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. Bye.